अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं मोहम्मद जावेद, सच की आवाज़ NPS न्यूज़। देखिए आज की ताज़ा खबर।
Clearly indicate that what Telangana does today, entire country will follow tomorrow. The initiative taken by the government of Telangana, talking about the two bureaus, I always say that the journey of policing is the journey of transition from cycle patrol to cyber patrol. So the amount of emphasis which the government is giving to prevention of cyber crime, I think is very much required, and a time will come when the entire country would come and learn here about what we are doing. This is a first major step in this regard, and I would compliment Stephen for taking it up to this level with the help of industry and with the help of each one of you. The Telangana State Anti-Narcotics Bureau is yet another landmark in our march towards safety and security of our younger generation particularly. It is a matter of great pride for all of us that without much assistance as far as resources are concerned, but C.V. Anand has raised this bureau to this level where now it is really looking as if it's going to take off.